Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the hydraulic ram. So let's start. The hydraulic ram is a pump which is used to raise the water without the need of any external power for its operation. When large quantity of water is available at a small height, then with the help of hydraulic ram, a small quantity of water can be raised to a greater height. Hydraulic ram works on the principle of water hammer. This figure shows the main components of hydraulic ram. You can see that the inlet valve fitted to the supply pipe here. This is the inlet valve fitted to the supply pipe. Now look at this chamber. You can clearly observe that this chamber has two valves B and C. The valve B is known as waste valve and the valve C is known as delivery valve. You can see that the valve C is fitted to an air vessel. As the water is coming into the chamber from the supply tank, the level of water starts increasing in the chamber and the waste valve B starts moving upward. A stage comes when the waste valve B suddenly closes. Due to the sudden closure of the waste valve, high pressure is created inside the chamber and this high pressure force opens the delivery valve C. So the water from the chamber now enters the air vessel and compresses the air inside the air vessel. This compressed air exerts force on the water in the air vessel and hence a small quantity of water is raised to a greater height as shown in this figure. When the momentum of the water in the chamber is lost, the waste valve B is opened in the downward direction and the water from the supply tank begins to flow to the chamber and this cycle will be repeated. Let's consider capital W is equal to weight of the water flowing per second into the chamber. Small w is equal to weight of the water raised per second. Small h is equal to height of the water in supply tank above the chamber. And capital H is equal to height of the water raised from the chamber. Energy supplied to the ram by the supply tank is equal to weight of the water supplied into height of supply water, which is equal to capital W into small h. This is equation number 1. Energy delivered by the ram is equal to weight of the water raised into height through which the water is raised, which is equal to small w into capital H. This is equation number 2. So the efficiency of the hydraulic ram eta is equal to energy delivered by the ram divided by energy supplied to the ram, which is equal to small w into capital H divided by capital W into small h. This is equation number 3. This expression of efficiency was given by D'Aubusson and hence this efficiency given by this equation number 3 is known as D'Aubusson's efficiency. According to Rankine, the water is initially at a height of small h from the ram and hence the water is only raised to a height equal to capital H minus small h. So according to Rankine, the energy delivered by the ram is equal to small w into capital H minus small h and the energy supplied is equal to capital W minus small w into small h. So the efficiency is equal to small w into capital H minus small h divided by capital W minus small w into small h. So this is equation number 4 and this efficiency given by this equation number 4 is known as Rankine's efficiency. Let's consider small q is equal to discharge of the delivery pipe and capital Q is equal to discharge through suction pipe. So in terms of discharge, D'Aubusson's efficiency is equal to small q into capital H divided by capital Q into small h. And the Rankine's efficiency is equal to small q into capital H minus small h divided by capital Q minus small q into small h. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video.